Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll do unboxing of this new electric bicycle. It's called Puckipuppy, and the model says Flamingo on the box, but it's a former name, so now they changed the name to Labrador. So this is a Labrador, and the color will be camouflage. They do come in few different colors. It's an all-terrain bicycle, full suspension, amazing price. I'm going to do unboxing, assembly, and to show the bicycle. And let's open it up. And this is how the bike will look from the top. Very nice packed. Inside you're gonna find the box. So you do get a lot of zip ties over here. Actually a full set of Allen keys. Very nice and useful. User manual. Wrench tools. It's a pump, hand pump or leg pump, whatever you call it. Headlight and the pedals. You get extra brake pads and the charger, only 2-amp charger. Looks like it's with a fan, and that's how the bike will look from the side. Looks like the wheel need to be attached and handlebar. So let's remove it from the box and assemble it. With this bike I'm gonna do first assembly of the kickstand, because it came with kickstand, but you need to attach right over here with the 2 bolts it's included. So it would be probably the first step I'm gonna take. I'm gonna remove all this protection from one side and just cut what you need to cut, like zip tie, not all of them. Okay, just remove from this side. You're gonna find like zip tie over here for the motor. Don't cut it, it's holding the cable for the motor. And then what you do, you just attaching right over here. Just insert it. Do with hands first. And then you use Allen key to tighten up. Then I will start to assemble the handlebar. So before assembling the handlebar, what I do, I'm gonna loosen up these 2 bolts on the side a little bit. Okay, and then you can tighten up, or you can do it later once the handlebar attached. Then you would remove these 4 bolts from this bracket. Then you take the handlebar, bring all the way up and reattach it. Okay, right on the center. Actually, and with the same bracket you just removed, and you use the same bolts you just removed. First you do with your hands, and then you would use Allen key. And I recommend to use a torque wrench to check the Newmeter torque. And you would use this torque wrench if you have one. If you don't, you may want to check link in description. It's not expensive, but you put it on 5 Newmeter torque, so you know exactly how much torque you tighten this bolts. Usually they should supposed to be 5 Newmeter torque. Then I will attach the beads correctly and attach it. I'll do it cross, one on top, then on cross another one. You can do quicker this way, I guess, and this one. And you could here click, that means it's reached the 5 Newmeter torque. Click, next one. Click. Click. And then you do the same thing. You tighten up these 2 bolts. Once I touch the wheel, I will do all check. So make sure you have one of these. If you don't, that's fine. But you can get it from Amazon. I'm gonna have a link in description as well. The next step, you would attach this display. So display have these two bolts. You would just remove them with Allen key and reattach it. Then you would open this plastic and attach to handlebar. Okay, and reattach with the same bolts you just removed. And then you will find this cable on one side and you would attach it with the display, and you will find a small arrow on the one side and same on another. Mesh, align them and push, and it will be attached. Now it's time to attach the wheel. Before attaching the wheel, I recommend to remove both bolts from both sides with the washer completely. This way it will be much easier to assemble it. Next, also you're gonna find this kind of axle. Actually, this one is a fork protector. You don't need it. You just need to remove it from the fork. It protects the fork while it's shipped. And lift it up with one hand. Insert it. Make sure you insert the brakes disc between the pads. Just like this. And the next step, you would attach this washer in, and the nuts you just removed. You do everything by hand first, okay? And once it's attached, you can use a wrench key to tighten them up from both sides. And you do exactly the same thing on this side. I also get these fenders. But I will not attach it now. I will see how it's doing without, because the bike looks amazing without fenders for me. And since we don't have much rain, I will not attach it for now. Maybe I'll touch later, but you can purchase the fenders extra. It's only $50, but you get $50 off with a code in description. So it's basically free fenders you're gonna get. Okay, so I will not attach it, but I will do attach today the headlight. And headlight actually dual, so it should be very bright. And I will attach it right over here. You just need to remove this bolt from behind. I use my hands to do that. And reattach the headlight right over here. And then I use the Allen key to tighten this up. And once you attach the headlight, you can adjust it. On the side there is a screw. And this is a reflector. Also, you find a reflector. You can move it a little bit up, so it will reflect the light from coming cars or whatever. And then you would reattach this headlight. You would just find two arrows and push it, align them and push it, and that's it. You can use this probably zip tie to tighten it up, or you can remove some of this cable organizer and insert it inside. And then you would attach the pedals. So the pedals you attach right to the right, left to the left. You will see some marking on the side. So you just grab this pedal and attach it. Let's see if I can do, and then this way. And you do the same thing on another side. And that's how the Labrador model will look once you assemble from Puckipuppy company. This bicycle actually UL standard certified. I did saw the certification, they sent me one. So it's good for any state, I guess. And I didn't attach the fenders, but I might do it later. So comment below, let me know if you think I should attach the fenders or it looks as good as right now, because we don't get really rain in the summer, so I don't really need the fenders. And here's how I will look, 511. And there's actually it's a very nice rear shock. As you can see, it's give you good, at the same time, very good response. If you want to change the preload, this information how to do it is just twisting right over here. The battery charging on this side, and it does come with a key, So it's easily removable battery right over here. You just insert the key, and let's see how large the battery is. And the battery is it's a 960 watt hours, which is 20 amp battery, 48 volt, and you can check the battery status on this side. Is the button, and to insert it, you just put it back, just like that, and super easy. So it's really cool. And the color is camouflage. It does come with hydraulic brakes, 180 millimeter disc, which is great stopping power, and pretty wide handlebar. And the seat can go up as high as, let me show you as well, right over here. So I think it's designed up to 6'2", and they do have a larger model bicycle, which designed for taller people, I believe up to 6.8 tall, and for shorter, they do have similar bicycle step through. So you might want to check link in description. My discount code should work on all of the bicycles, and they are listed right now at a very affordable price, and you get $50 off, and discount code will be in description. So to turn on the bicycle, you just push the power button, and I need to remove the film. Actually, it comes with a really nice display color. You got mileage, even the time, I think, or how long the bike was on. You do get about, let's see how many pedal assist level, 5 pedal assist level. And let's see, headlight, you just push the button, the headlight should be on. Yep, it's on. It does come with a tail light built in on the seat over here. You just push the button and it will have like few different modes. And if it doesn't work, make sure you remove the plastic inside the battery, because I noticed there's a plastic was inside. And the seat is super comfortable, really nice seat. I usually don't see this type of seat on this type of bicycle. Usually they come with a sports seat. So this one is more like long distance, because it's 20 amp battery. It's pretty large, and it does come with a cadence sensor right over here, which is actually the latest model cadence sensor I can see, and 750 watt motor, 26x4 tires, all terrain, beautiful camouflage color. And this is not a paint, looks like it's a dip, but it feels really good, and also feels like they did a very good job. I don't see any defects, so it's very clear, all clean job done. Also, it comes with a full adjustable front fork, preload, and you can compression adjustment over here, so you can lock it in. This ring will show you how much it will compress, but I will check it out once I will take it for a ride. So today video I just did assembly and just show you around the bicycle. So this Puckipuppy Labrador model, and it comes with hot 320 shock, which has a preload adjustment, and you cannot really get anything better for this price, I think. Real nice setup. Also, you find this rubbish piece. This is a cover for this bolt, so you would attach once you tighten all these bolts and nuts. So this video was just assembly video, and just to show you the bicycle a little bit. But if you like this bicycle, check the link in description. I will have a full video with riding, speed test, climbing test. I'll show you how the bicycle perform, and you may check the link in description if I have the second video posted as well. Otherwise, click subscribe, follow my channel, so you will not miss the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.